Veal steak tartare. For this amazing dish, we need veal steak, eggs, tomatoes, parsley, marinade pickles, capers, red onions, spring onions, garlic, anchovies, bread, balsamic, tomato sauce, wine vinegar, Tabasco, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, salt and pepper. Unwrap the steak. Dry it. Remove all the straps. Finely chop. Group the meat. Put the meat to the bowl. Open the capers and drain the liquid. Finely chop. Put the capers in the plate. Cut the pickles. And chop it finely. Put in the plate. Chop the parsley. Put in the plate. Peel and slice the onion. Put in the plate. Peel and chop the garlic. Add it to the meat. Add olive oil, pepper, and salt. Chop finely the anchovies. Add it to the meat. Mix it well. Add parsley, capers, pickles, and onions. Add Tabasco and Worcestershire sauce. Add mustard, add tomato sauce, mix all. Add olive oil. And mix it well. Let's prepare the poached eggs. Put the pan with the water on fire and add vinegar. Give it a little stir. Beat the eggs to the water. And boil it for 3 minutes. Put some ice in the bowl. Take out the egg and place it in the ice. Leave the egg to cool. Let's prepare some decorations. Cut green onions. Add the onions to the ice water and put it in the freezer. Let's prepare the bread garnish. Cut the bread and lay it out on the tray. Add olive oil to the bread. and add salt. Put the bread on the grill. Fry it 1 minute. Take out the fried bread. Add salt. Place the meat in the bowl. Carefully place it on the serving dish. Add balsamic, put eggs on top, add pepper and salt, then put the decorations of green onions. And a bit of the mustard. Cut bread in half. Put on the dish. Decorate with chopped cherry tomatoes. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!